YouTube, it's your boy Crypto Cuts with another banger video. This gonna be a short one. You know what I'm saying? My guy Lee came in. I ain't seen my man in a minute. You know what I'm saying? I had to get him right. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I just got his hair done. I was like, yo, bro. I hit him up. I said, yo, bro, you got your hair done? He's like, yo, bro, I just got it done a day ago. He said, I ain't got no cut. I said, bro, come in. I got you. Lee was one of my first, you feel me, people that really let me cut his hair, man. I was cutting his hair in high school, in the basement. Like, it was really anywhere before the football, basketball games, bro. I was cutting everybody in school, bro. So, you know what I'm saying? It's only right that, you know what I'm saying, I help my brother out, you know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? He gonna always, you feel me, look good for his appearance and things like that, you know what I'm saying? But I'm done talking off of here. Y'all watch my other videos. My taper steps is literally the same. Just, you know what I'm saying? Just enjoy the music. Enjoy the video, like and subscribe, and make sure you follow my boy Lee Herbo too. You feel me? Make sure you follow my guy. You know what I'm saying? And then, you know, I got my next video coming up. There's gonna be a clip at the end of the video. My guy Tone cut all his dreads off, so stay tuned for that. I'm out. Crypto. YouTube, for me.
This shit legendary. This shit legendary.
Hey, listen, y'all. He about to cut the dreads off. It's gonna be a movie. It's gonna be a movie.
All in walk, man.
I just laced up my brother right here. You feel me? I see the video. You feel me? You gotta follow him. Lee Herbo. You feel me? Boy over here, he just saying he's killing. It's his time next. No cap.
You know, get slidey, dude.
We about to get right. We might get right.